Problem is that of screwing it, unscrewing it all the time, it's a big hassle. So a big thumbs down to the Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Opinions Matter. It's a bright sunny afternoon right now, and we are going to launch and show you a small product that I just found and picked up from a local Best Buy. It's called the Polar Pro ND filters. Now, do you need ND filters or not, or do you think these ND filters are worth it or not? Totally depends upon you. I found these because I had these in my Phantoms and they work amazing. It's an easy step process, pop in and pop out, and let's go and check out whether these things are going to work with my Mavic Air or not. There you go guys, that's my Mavic Air, and if you guys know that I have some landing gears also for my Mavic Air. So the thing is that for the Mavic Air, it should actually sit on top of that lens, because that's what is usually with Phantoms. Now let's see what my package says, or there is another sort of instructions for the Mavic Air or not. Okay, unboxing this right now, and let's see what we got inside. Okay, so out of the box there are some instructions, and we don't need any instruction right now, so we'll keep that aside. And that's how the ND filter comes. I think they have done an amazing job in packaging this. So they have got a case. Let's open that case up. So that's how the case looks, and the ND filters are protected in the case. So let's open this and let's check it out. Wow, amazing job in packaging, and let's see whether these ND filters are written or not. You can see that it's written out here ND8, so in the filters it will be written as ND8, ND4 and ND16. So let's try to put this thing on the drone right now. Okay, so we got the Mavic here. Let's go ahead and try to install this. So we'll take this thing, because in my Phantom it usually pops in. So let's try to put this in. Oh no, these actually do not fit on the top. Well, we need to read some instruction. I had threw the box off already. Oh god. So, well, the instruction is out here, and the instruction says that you need to unscrew the lens bezel and then insert the ND filter. What? I do not want to do so much of hassle. I do not want to unscrew my Mavic Air's, you know, like top part, and then install some other third-party filters. Why would I do that? Because in Phantom it was pretty much easy. It was like a snap-on. Well guys, there you go. I don't think I should recommend you guys something like this. Though these are amazing products or anything, the ND filters are amazing. If you want to go through all that hassle of taking this off and putting this back again, maybe this is a great product for you, but I will not do it, only because I just don't want to void any sort of warranty or anything for this one. I literally think this product is good, but the problem is that of screwing it, unscrewing it all the time, it's a big hassle. So a big thumbs down to the easeability of the product. Sorry guys, we could not test out the product because, on my honest opinion, it's too much of hassle to put an ND filter on top of this one, and if people don't do it properly, these might, sorry for the camera, these might break off. So be very careful when you're buying ND filters for this, because it will not fit on the top. I'm pretty sure there are other stuffs in the market, and I would say that go for those ones that snap on rather than unscrewing this. So if you like this honest opinion of a tech product, give me a big thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can actually dislike and hate it, or put it in the comment section. I'm planning to come up with more videos, and hope I see you guys later.